Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
The user-friendly SureDay Electric provides results as coarse or as fine as you prefer when you press down on the lid for just 8 to 15 seconds. The stainless steel bowl can be removed and placed in the dishwasher for an effortless cleanup. Convenient cord storage under base. Can also grind nuts and spices. Comes with a measuring spoon. Porlex Mini Mill. Whether you're storing it in a cabinet or packing it with your camping gear, the compact Porlex Mini Mill won't compete for much space at all. It should hold up well over time, thanks to its sturdy stainless steel build and high-quality ceramic burrs. Comfortable silicone grip. Integrated crank holder. A good size for one person. The OXO Conical works quickly and renders reliably even results every time, and is designed to minimize static buildup while in use. It boasts a sleek and shiny finish and operates quietly enough not to disturb everyone in the house. Starts with just one touch. Tinted hopper blocks UV rays. Comparatively inexpensive. Breville Smart Grinder Pro. The precision electronic timer of the Breville Smart Grinder Pro is adjustable in increments of 0.2 seconds. It incorporates a large, clear LCD and a programmable operation that beeps to let you know when your desired settings have been saved. Cleaning brush included. Available in 3 colors. Cord wrap for tidy storage. The Baratza Encore is refreshingly easy to use, with a front-mounted pulse button and a hopper that can be rotated to choose from among 40 grind settings. It can hold up to 8 ounces of whole beans and fits nicely inside most kitchen cabinets. Powerful DC motor. Comes in black or white. Good value for the price.